A what?
This is Terrance.
He is?
And my pig has spots too.
Ooh.
Like this bird.
Oh.
Oh, you got a whole collection of them, don't you?
Oh, yes. You haven't seen his video yet? It is part...
Sound.
So which one are you missing then?
The blue one. And pretty much the one that he got.
The little blue one?
Pretty much.
Sound.
Mm-hmm.
I'm missing the blue one and the green one, but you know, he's happy.
Of the small ones.
This is the space kind. This is the regular kind.
Oh, okay.
Pretty much it's the space ones that he wanted. So you got the last two that he wanted.
Oh,
so
good.
he's happy.
Yeah, they have over at the Walmart here, the Super Center, they have the little versions of those ones too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, but I also the big ones.
It's fine. He loves it.
Oh, there's Diet Coke too if you want one.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes, he's in very, very amused right now.
He said, yoo-hoo.
He's got like a whole collection and one video up on YouTube. There's like 250,000 views right now.
Wow.
Peekaboo.
Yeah. Shoosh.
And
Because of his space birds.
Space flyers say die
Oh, the space bomb one?
Yeah.
And the space flyers say yoo-hoo. And this one say breathe. And
Yep.
the pigs say oink oink. But they sound like this. But
I think the little ones have sound, honey.
see? See? When all the birds you shoot
Sorry.
the wrong
He
way,
likes talking.
and you miss the pigs. And they will go like this.
So which ones make noise?
The ones you bought.
Just the ones I bought?
Yes.
See? He's
I think the first versions didn't have the thingy on them. So
Those two make noise?
it's not sound accurate anyway, so it doesn't matter. Only the blue one is sound accurate, so
What sound does the green one make?
flavor makes sound
it's like a hurling hurl.
like the pooper dog.
Yeah. Are those the ones that drop eggs?
He plays the game, so
Yeah. You have an iPhone?
See?
I touch
See?
on my phone, on the computer, everywhere else pretty much because of him.
Bonk.
He goes higher again.
Yeah.
The other one that he wanted is like $100, so I'm not buying it.
Which one's that?
The Mighty
He
Eagle.
says wee.
Mighty Eagle?
He goes
So
wee.
next
And
birthday of
crushes
his,
the whole thing.
whatever money we get from whoever,
And then
we're putting it in the Mighty Eagle fund.
And then Chris Wolf.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Don't you want to play with the birds now and the pigs? Uh-huh.
That's where the birds go.
A few months after this, it's Jack.
Yeah.
And this is where
You'll know the full blast experience of having a nephew.
What is it?
That's a bag. What's in the bag?
There's one more in the bag. Ooh, take him out. He's gonna be lonely in there.
Yeah, I'll go play the other.
Alright. Have fun.
He's got out.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Terrance.
You want to what?
And bye, Terrance.
No. Uncle Jason gave it to you.
Okay.
That's why you say thank you to Uncle Jason, because he gave it to you. It's yours to keep. You can bring him home.
To my house?
Yeah.
Do you see a tie?
Yes.
Over there to the toy room?
No, you get to keep him and bring him home though. You want to bring him home?
He's way bigger.
Yeah, way bigger.
See? I don't have fire either.
Mm.
He has short hair.
He does. He does.
And this one has long hair.
Mm.
Has this.
Yeah. Yeah. You're happy with Terrance? You're happy with Terrance?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?